Hello. Today I want to tell you about 5 ways to stay mindful and focused. Many studies have shown that practicing mindfulness is a great way to train your brain to stay focused. By focusing on both mindfulness and focus, your day can go smoother, be more productive, and less stressful. Let's get started. 1. Single task. Many people make the mistake of trying to multitask throughout the day. Although multitasking is advantageous in certain instances, you should try to avoid it when you can. Our brains are not equipped to fully focus on more than one item or task at a time. Instead of multitasking, try to single task. Focusing on one item at a time will allow all of your brain's energy to be poured into that singular task. As a result, you'll do a better job and the task will typically take less time to accomplish. Not to mention, only focusing on one task at a time allows you to be fully involved in the process. It helps you to remain mindful because you can actually think about how you feel about individual tasks. In other words, single tasking creates an environment for full immersion in the present. 2. Turn off distractions. The modern era is full of distractions. If it's not your phone going off, then there's likely some really annoying noise, whether it be coming from traffic outside or a TV. To remain focused and mindful, you need to learn how to turn off or tune out distractions. Most importantly, make sure to turn off any devices while you're trying to stay focused and mindful. Devices pull you away from the present and make it much more difficult to stay on track. It may be a good idea to put your phone on Do Not Disturb whenever you're working. Additionally, try to tune out distractions that you don't have full control over, such as a barking dog or loud traffic. You can do this by putting on classical music or investing in a good set of headphones. 3. Visualize. Visualizing is a really good mindful and focused practice. Whenever you visualize something, your emotions and actions naturally lead to the sort of results you want. Start your morning by visualizing the most important task of the day. Visualizing certain tasks will make you keenly aware of your thoughts and feelings. It will also make you more aware of when the reality doesn't match your visualization. 4. Check in with yourself. Another way to stay focused and mindful is to check in with yourself throughout the day. Checking in with yourself gives you the opportunity to see how you feel and give your brain a break. Simply pay attention to your thoughts, feelings, and physical body every couple of hours. Checking in with yourself makes you keenly aware of how you feel in the present. This leads to more mindfulness. At the same time, it allows your brain to rest so that it can be more focused afterward. 5. Know when you have too much on your plate. If you take on too many assignments or tasks, it's impossible to stay mindful and focused. Learn your signs that you're stressed so that you can say no whenever more tasks arise. Final thoughts. We hope that these tips help you learn how to stay mindful and focused throughout the day. Keep in mind that all of these tasks take time to master, and it's okay if you feel challenged at first.